Good evening, ma.
Good evening. My name is Mariam Indira Mohammed, organizer Igala Carnival. It's my first time. Surprisingly, I've stayed for 4 days because I'm having fun and I'm enjoying the culture of the Idoma people. This is, like I said, the organizer of Igala Carnival, so definitely it's the Igala attire. That's our symbol and that's our culture. It's been safe and Otukpo is very safe. For us to be here at 10 midnight, 1 midnight, 2 o'clock in the night to have fun, and so far no problem. This is a safe place to be. 2026, you have to be in Otukpo Carnival. I hope to come back next year with the fact that I'm leaving Otukpo here, Idoma International Carnival will be my partner. So definitely I'll be here more and more and more every year. Sure, a lot of Igala people are going to come with me being the organizer of the Igala Carnival. Our presence will be felt, so felt, and our culture will be displayed on Igala. So far so good. Everything is okay, and the country will be safe. So we hope to be here to have fun.
Thank you very much, ma.
You're
Thanks for
welcome.
having you here.
My name is MC Kpakpakpa. I'm the chairman. I'm the coordinator, the local organizing committee coordinator for Idoma International Carnival. And this year it's been amazing. The crowd, it's awesome. It's getting larger. Security-wise, 4 days, no security breach. It's beautiful.
Amazing.
4 days, there no casualties. Each time we have this carnival, we hardly hear casualties, and these children come from all over and they come to stay for 4 days. We've never in 14 years had any form of casualty. It means God has a hand in this.
Yes.
And the organizers are doing amazing. They are doing great.
Yeah.
That's my take on it. For us, our economy, 4 days translates to a lot of economic growth. Our hotels, our food vendors, and beverages and all of that is doing well. The transport company, especially the Okada, they are making so much money at these 4 days. It's been amazing. And I'm looking forward to next year. Next year is going to be larger and bigger with this organization. Thank you.
Thank you so much.